Good morning, one and all present here. Me and my team members are here to present IT presentation on our topic Android. We all will be explaining and highlighting some contents on Android. Introduction to Android, meaning, briefing to inventor of Android types, explanation, Android devices, advantages, features, application and interface. Introduction. Linux-based operating. Android is Linux-based operating, designed primarily for touchscreen cells, computers, and such as smartphones. Open source and Google released the code. Android is an open source and Google released the code Apache license. So that Android sets up the global smartphone market, which a recent in July 2013 stated led by Samsung product was 64% in March 2013. What does Android means? Literally it means man-like, deriving the Greek word man and ending that means like or similar. It simply means Android is derived from Greek word man-like. It's self-explanatory. In science fiction, Android means human intelligence or artificial intelligence in nature, opposed to a mechanical robot. It is also a computer system such as the Android phones and software. We can use Android in computers also. Example, if we want to use any Android application or game, we can download any software like there is a UseTech software. We can install that and we can use any Android games or any Android apps on computers. Inventor of Android is Tim Stevens. OS X, Android and iOS are written using a program code called C. Taking this, there are other two program codes used for OS X, Android and iOS are C++ and Objective-C. But C has been a foundation of both operating systems since the following. As the news of his death was passed, the historians and computer enthusiasts introverted Dr. Ritchie to media savvy with Apple company founder Steve Jobs. Ritchie has made huge progress for improving the Android technology. This Ritchie was a big player in the development of the computers, not only in computers but also in mobile phones, iPods and media centers that we use today. Further presentation will be carried forwarded by my friend Ronak.
Thank you for the information, Janet. My part of the presentation is the real mind behind the inventors. Android was first made in Palo Alto, California in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, the co-founder of Ninja, Rich Mehta, the co-founder of Wisecom Communications, Nick Sense, the vice president at T-Mobile, Chris White, which headed the design and the interface development at WebTV. They actually concentrated on making one thing, that is they wanted to make that kind of device which would be more aware on the owner's location and the preferences. So now coming on to classification of Android versions, Cupcake Android 1.5, Donut Android 1.6, and England Android 2.0 and 2.1, Froyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, and Key Lime Pie. So now coming on to Cupcake Android, that is the code name for version 1.5. Technically, Android version 1.5 wasn't the first version. Story said that the first version was 1.2, but Google made some inventions and they made it 1.5. And made it a name as Cupcake. Now coming on to Android 1.6. It fixed the reboot error. The first version of Google identification feature. Donut is usually defined as a small ring-shaped fried game actually spread donut. Thank you, and my further presentation will be carried by Jay. Eclair basically is a dessert, which is the first layer of Eclair is cream puff, and in middle it is with baked pastry with cream, ice cream, and on the top it's coated with chocolate. But technically Eclair Android 2.0 is given the code name of Eclair. It was released in October 2009. The workfit version of Android 2.0, that is 2.0.1, was released in December 2009. Android 2.1 was also released in January 2010. Most people consider as a single, they treat as a single release. Features in Android 2.0, Eclair was added that it supported Bluetooth 2.1, supports flash for digital zoom for camera, supports multi-touch and live wallpaper, which we usually use. Froyo is basically a concentrated frozen yogurt, but it is also a brand name. It is a frozen dessert made from yogurt, so it is slightly more sour but lesser in fat. Android 2.2 has given the code name of Froyo, mainly adopted speed by adopting the JavaScript just-in-time compiler engine from Google browser Chrome, and improved browser support by animated GIF supports. Features added in Android 2.2 was Flash 10.1 plugin support along with USB and Wi-Fi. The Android 2.3 version has given the full name of Gingerbread. It was released in December 7, 2010. Nexus 7 became the first phone which was introduced by the Android version of 2.3, which is Gingerbread. It supported SIP, internet calling, NFC wireless transaction capability, supports for gyroscope and other sensors download manager. Same tweaks to allow usage on tablet and other system level tweaks for programs. Version of Android 2.4 was found on Sony Ericsson Xperia RCAS in CS 2011. The company claims that the phone claims that it was a wrong version, but later the Google declared that the ice cream sandwich will be announced. Ice cream will be announced at Google I/O event in May 2011 and released in June or July 2011. For being ice cream doesn't make sense as it violates the existing order as the dessert names, and in the alphabet in order to I is after Z, H, not before. It does make sense to make it after honeycomb, that is technology. The further presentation will be carried forward by my colleague.
It is like it is an Android version made on tablet running on 2.10 version. It was launched in 2010. It was launched in December time because it was Christmas time, so it is the best part of the season. It consists of a flavor, honey, ice cream sandwich. Ice cream sandwich is basically a layer of vanilla ice cream which is covered with 2 layers of chocolate, and it is mostly rectangular in shape. It is launched in January 2012 and on Samsung Galaxy Nexus. Has first released it just after 10 to 12 months of honeycomb. It was launched. Jelly is basically it is jelly which is covered with sugar and it is sweet in taste. On June 26, 2013, it was launched and it is the latest version of Android and it is mostly used in new phones and applications. Next slide. Types of Android. There are many types of Android nowadays. There are various types of Android or devices which are used in our day-to-day life. Many are Samsung, HTC, LG, Motorola are examples of Android devices. Next we see by
Thank you, Gautam. Good morning, friends. Now I will be continuing the rest of my part as a Android application. The Android is the best thing that a man can have in a nowadays world's presentation, that man can use the best software, Android. Android is a software. It gives a world-class platform for a man to work in the nowadays the best generation life. Android is also help users download more than 1.5 apps and games for using daily. Easily usable to all users and also to mass public everywhere. It is world's most popular platform where Android powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices in more than 190 countries and also as a worldwide application. Everyone installing new devices in the mobile. It is also used in the all touchscreen mobiles, touchscreen computers everywhere, and the most advanced devices. Android consists of one or more application components which can be opened simultaneously at one at a time or also in the one after another. Non-code should include alternatives for different devices configuration. Interface. Android's interface is based on direct manipulation using touch inputs that loosely correspond to real-world actions. Android home screens are typically made up of app icons and widgets. In Android, we can use many apps, widgets, also softwares, and many other things like playing games. Also, we can download some softwares like BookMyShow, Time Indicator, and other OLX.com or other sites. Also, there are app icons launch the associated apps where widgets display live auto-updating content such as weather forecast, the user's email box, Gmail emails, everything can be accessed. That's all for our presentation. Any queries?